Ganami sa kwan guys. Ganami sa gubat.
Protect our natural by avoiding cutting trees. How forest is dense. How forest is a gift.
Gubat na rin guys.
Giling-giling, giling-giling, giling no. Helikopter, helikopter.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
This is from Sam. Thank you. Ang ganap natin today is attend ng food basura sa YES. Tapos mag-meeting. So guys, is a org. School org. But anyways, maglalagay lang ako ng concealer because I didn't sleep well today. Arte kay Kati, Aslin, ang arte mo. Reason behind nga nung gami ka po is because ang number one, jud diha kay kana akong under eyes. Kay grabe ka. Like, kanang mura siya eye bags, ganun. Tapos, gusto ko yung, natural looking, ganun. Like, pantay lahat ng skin. Okay. Pantay lahat ng skin to. Like, you're afraid to wear makeup because you think people may judge you. Don't mind people. Huwag niyo silang intindihin kasi at the end of the day, it's your life. It's your decision. And wala namang mali kung gagawa ka ng bagay na alam mo hindi nakakasira. Like, wala kang natatapakan ni sino man. And that's all right. Just go explore and be yourself. Because we are here to find ourselves, not to prove something, someone. If you want it, do it, girl. Don't hesitate. Just do what you want. If gusto mong sumali sa mga org or something, like mga competition, go try it. At because you're just exploring, tao ka lang. If hindi para sa'yo, hindi para sa'yo. Guys, 7:30 ang call time. So yes, pero saan na ron? 7:31. Oh my god, Pinoy talaga. Ooh. Kadjut lang! Guys, nakauwi na ako galing school. And, guys, supposed to be, mayroon pang food basura. Pero, nawala yun sa isip ko at umuwi. Pagkatapos ng meeting. Kasi, wala nang sasakyan. So, there's something going on. Tapos, ngayon, nag-online ako. Ngayon ko pa naalala. May pulot basura pa pala. Sorry, President. Sorry. Pero anyways, bukas, babalik ako doon kasi mag-e-enroll. Kasi hindi sabay yung enrollment ng grade 7, 8, like mga grade level, ganun. So, bukas yung enrollment ko. Diba the other day, nag-orient kami. Then, ang orient doon is sa new curriculum na dalawa na lang yung strand or track na pagpipilian mo, which is academic and tech pro. Then, ang academic, yun yung mga student na like mag-pursue na magka-college, ganun. Tapos yung tech pro is more into like yung student na gustong magtrabaho agad after senior high. Obviously, academic yung pinili ko. Pero sa academic na yun, meron din like categorize siya para so yun lang yung chit-chat natin.
Sa pampunan mo, walang nariyan ka. ka ba?
Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Napapagod na ako! Letseng buhay!
Diretso sa bawat bang puso ko'y palaban. Kung nakinig ka lang sa dating
Maing! Eh... Pupunta yung school kasi last day na ngayon ng brigada. Please late na po.